Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a long time I have not uploaded any new video. So this will be a new video on the third party on with cameras. So I have got a TP-Link Tapo camera, which is the model Tapo C310. It's a Wi-Fi as well as a wired Ethernet camera. So in this video I will show you how you can manage these TP-Link cameras on a UniFi Protect. As you know, the UniFi now support the on-with camera, so you can add and manage all your third-party cameras which support on-with standard on the UniFi Protect. So I will show you the unboxing and how you can add this TP-Link cameras on the UniFi Protect. First, you have to add on the Tapo app. Let's get started. Let's start with unboxing the camera. So as you can see, the TP-Link Tapo camera image, it says outdoor security Wi-Fi camera and the model is Tapo C310. So let's unbox it. So after unboxing, we will see the specification and what prices you can get, and later on we will see how you can integrate it with UniFi Protect. जैसे आप बॉक्स खोलते you get the camera inside, you will get some quick start guide and some tools like if you mount it on a wall, so the position of the screws, yes, and this is the power cord. It will power the cameras, as you can see here, and then some tools and some screws. And now let's check the camera itself. So this is the TP-Link Tapo camera, और इसको अगर हम कंपेयर करेंगे यूनिफाई से, सो इसकी बिल्ड क्वालिटी एज कंपेयर टू द यूनिफाई यू विल फील ए बिट स्लो बिकॉज इट्स ऑल प्लास्टिक, whereas in UniFi it's very costly and the build quality is quite different. So by looking at this camera you will get to know these all are antennas for a wireless camera. This is outdoor Wi-Fi and you can use as a Wi-Fi also, even the wired Ethernet connection also. There is a Ethernet jack given on this camera. So I've been using TP-Link Tapo all other IoT devices. So to adopt this camera is very simple. You have to power it on first, and then you have to go to your TP-Link Tapo app, and then you have to add a camera. So let's start it and see the adoption process and how you can add it later on to the UniFi Protect, which now supports on-with. So this camera is a 2K camera and it's a outdoor Wi-Fi cameras. The resolution is 2K. It's a, let me check, it's a 3 megapixel camera or not. Let me check. Yeah, yes, it's a IP66 weatherproof and night vision goes up to 98 feet. We'll check that. And you can use a local micro SD storage up to 512 GB. So this camera support all type of smart detection features and is a 3 megapixel cameras. Okay, so now we'll power it on and then add it on the Tapo app. And then once I will add an account, after that I will adopt it on the UniFi Protect, and then we will see the quality of this camera. So to add the TP-Link camera, first you have to add those camera into your Tapo app. So right now on the screen, if you see, I have already added the TP-Link camera. So on the screen you see I have all other IoT devices from the TP-Link Tapo. So first you have to open the app and then you have to click on plus sign and add a devices, and you have to choose the Tapo and check for the camera, either it is indoor or outdoor. So this camera is Tapo C310, so you have to choose either you are connected wired or the wireless. So you have to choose that option. So I have connected, I will be connecting this through wireless. So I will choose that option, and then the LEDs on the that cameras will blink green and blue, and then I have to connect to the camera a Wi-Fi, and as soon as I connect it, it will start connecting, looking for the Tapo devices, and it will be connected. And you will see the options. It will search for the Wi-Fi devices. So you have to connect to the Wi-Fi society. And in my case, I'm running on that IoT network, so I'm connected to that Wi-Fi network. And right now, you can see it is connecting to the network. So as soon as it's connected, the LED on the camera will goes on green, and it will be connected and online, so you can set up it through the Tapo app. So right now it's pairing the Tapo device, and after that you can name your devices. So I'll keep as a Tapo, and you can choose where you want to place. So I will choose the office, and you can set the logo and click on next. It will configure, and now everything is completed. So you can either choose the cloud service. I will skip as of now, and I will choose the update time. So now you can see this was the image showing on the camera. Even you can choose a microphone. You can set that microphone to off. So you can see I'm moving hand, and you can see the camera quality, and just put on the test. As soon as you added this camera, you have to, these cameras are OnWIF supported. So to add on the UniFi Protect, first you have to create a username and a password for this. So to add the username and password, you have to go to the settings, advanced setting, camera account, and create, understand all the terms and conditions, and you have to set the username and password. As soon as you set the username and password and create that, you can add simply on the UniFi Protect, and the UniFi Protect will straightforward discover on the dashboard. You will see the Tapo devices will be showing as click to adopt. So I have already added, and I will show you the next screen. Will show you of the UniFi Protect, so you can see how it can be managed. So as you can see, the Tapo C310 says click to adopt. So you can just click on adopt. So you can choose the same username and password, and as soon as you added the username and password, it got added, and you can see it is online. So it's quite easy and simple process to add the third-party cameras on the UniFi network, so you can manage on your own on the UniFi Protect without any issues. So this is quite good features from the Ubiquiti. They have started supporting the OnWIF supported cameras. So you can manage all your third-party cameras on the UniFi Protect and VR. So, and they have brought a new devices which is UniFi AI Port. So you can have all the AI features from your third-party cameras, so you can avail those features. So I think that's it for today's video. I hope you will like this video. In this video, I've shown you how you can easily add the TP-Link Tapo cameras or the VG cameras to the UniFi Protect lineup, and this is very great features. I think you should try if you have a UniFi and we are on the cloud key on the UNVR. So I hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching my video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Bye.